Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by validating the exact model and compatible replacement module so you buy the right part. This prevents wasted time. Once you have tools and an ESD strap, power down and remove the battery or disconnect power. Next, release clips with a plastic spudger and unscrew fasteners. Keep screws organized. Make clear photos of connector positions and antenna routing so you can restore them exactly. Make sure to label cables and note which screws belong to each bezel before proceeding. You now remove the old module, heat solder joints, or carefully release retention clips while stabilizing the board. Once free, compare the pads and connector orientation of the new module to the original to avoid reversed installation. Align pins and tabs, then either solder or press fit the new part. Once done, reconnect antenna and flex cables using your photos as a guide. If soldering, work quickly with controlled heat and inspect joints for bridges. If clips are used, ensure a firm, even seat. You reassemble the device in reverse order, leaving panels loose to test before full closure. Power up and pair a known good phone or laptop. Run a quick transfer and walk test to verify range and throughput. If pairing fails or performance is poor, make sure antenna leads are seated and not shorting, inspect solder joints under magnification, and confirm the module firmware and driver match the host. If problems persist, swap back the old module to isolate hardware versus software issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.